Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose anyway improving my knowledge in English only, nothing else. Therefore please support and guide me. This is today's shorts article, international shorts article. Beirut, two wounded as Israeli drones strike a vehicle in South Lebanon. Two siblings were wounded on Wednesday when Israeli drones struck a vehicle in South Lebanon a day after a deadly raid, and despite an Israeli Hezbollah ceasefire, Israeli drones carried out more than one strike on a vehicle in Ras Nakura near a dump south of UN peacekeeping position, Lebanon's media said. Washington, USA Supreme Court rejects Trump's bid to freeze $2 billion foreign aid. A divided USA Supreme Court handed a legal defeat to President Donald Trump on Wednesday, rejecting his bid to freeze some $2 billion in foreign aid payments. The court voted 5-4 to uphold a lower court order requiring that payments be made on aid contracts that have already been completed. Washington, Trump pauses flow of intelligence to Ukraine that help on battlefield. President Donald Trump has paused USA intelligence sharing with Ukraine, cutting off the flow of vital information that has helped the war-torn nation target Russian invaders. But Trump administration officials said Wednesday that positive talk between Washington and Kyiv mean it may only be short suspension. Juba, army surrounded South Sudan VP's resident as his allies are arrested. South Sudanese soldiers surrounded Vice President Riek Machar home in capital Juba on Wednesday, and several of his allies were arrested after an armed group allied to him over an army base in the country's north. Mr. Machar political rivalry with President Salva Kiir has in the past exploded into civil war. Now short news in number. Cost of Kedarnath and Hemkund Sahib Zero Way project 6,811 in rupee crore. The government approved two ropeway project in Uttarakhand, Sonprayag to Kedarnath 12.9 km and Govind Ghat to Hemkund Sahib Ji 12.4 km at a total cost of 6,811 crore rupees. The timeline for this project is 4 to 6 years. The numbers of the opposition figure on trial in Tunisia. 40. A Tunisian court opened a high-profile trial in which 40 people, including opposition figure, and stand accused of conspiring against state security activities, are calling it a baseless case and part of a politically driven crackdown. 9 of the defendants are not allowed to appear at the trial. Number of proclaimed offenders arrested in the first 2 months. 61 police have been arrested. 61 proclaimed offenders, including those involved in murder, in the first 2 months of this year across the country. A person is declared a proclaimed offender (PO) when they evade the process of law either at the investigation stage or during trial. Number of the fishermen from Gujarat in Pakistani jails 144. A total of the 144 fishermen from Gujarat are currently languishing in Pakistani jail, and 22 of them were arrested by the neighboring country in the last 2 years. As many as 1,173 fishing boats from India are also in the possessions of Pakistan as of December 2024. In an increase in the number of the tiger in Maharashtra this year. Maharashtra Forest Minister Ganesh Naik said that the state's tiger count has gone up to 444 this year from 101 in 2000, and that the government has approved fund of 200 crore rupees for solar fencing of villages near tiger habitat. This is short sport news. Family Familiarity, a plus point that we are playing at the same venue, feels Shami. Amidst a raging debate about whether India has an undue advantage playing at the same venue pace, spearhead Mohammad Shami admitted that it makes things easy. It helps to be playing at one venue. You know about the condition you the pitch behave. It is plus point that we are playing at the same venue, Shami said. Moving on, veteran Bangladesh wicketkeeper Mushfiqur retire from ODI. Bangladesh wicketkeeper Mushfiqur Rahim announced his retirement from ODI on Wednesday after his Champion Trophy campaign concluding on a better note. The 37-year-old finished his ODI career with 7,795 runs in 274 games at an average of 36.42, 9 century 49-50 to go with his 243 catches and 56 stumpings. No excuses. India had no advantage staying in one city. We are outplayed, Smith. Australia skipper Steve Smith did not use Rohit Sharma lead team's extended stay in Dubai as an excuse for the defeat in the semi-final, considering that a superior team outplayed them. I am not buying into it. India plays some really good cricket. The surface kind of suited their style with the spinner that they have got, said Smith. Just reward. Kohli moved to 4th in ICC ODI ranking. Rohit drops 2 places. Virat Kohli on Wednesday moved up a spot to 4th place in the ICC ODI ranking for better after this his match winning 84 against Australia in the Champion Trophy semi-final, but Rohit Sharma dropped 2 positions to 5th. Shubman Gill continued to hold the top spot. Akshar Patel moved up to career high 13 in all-rounder list. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.